Do you ever wonder that what will happen to our jobs if artificial intelligence is going to take over everything? Will there be any jobs left which humans can do in the next 20 years? Well, the fact is that AI is here not to replace humans but to replace the repetitive task. Okay, so that we humans can focus on those kind of a task which only humans can do. Let's go bit back. Okay, so for decades there were these traditional jobs which were prevalent. For example, the manufacturing jobs, the customer service job, then data entry, transportations, right? These jobs require manual effort, the repetition and the routine. Okay, but now the AI and automation is already transforming this space, because we know that machines don't get tired, algorithms don't make mistakes, and accept this fact that AI or the digital system is way beyond faster than us. So yes, the AI is fading slowly and slowly, all these traditional jobs. But let me tell you one more fact, that today, at present, we are entering into an AI supported era. So here we need to learn how we can use and work together with AI. Okay, so we as humans and AI should work together, and in this phase only those will be the winners who will learn, adapt and lead with AI. Okay, so you need to understand that you need to learn how you can use AI tools effectively for doing your own job or a task, okay, in your niche. All right, for example, the teachers. If teachers know how to use AI effectively to plan their lessons, to create their courses, okay, they will be the best one. For coaches who are going to use AI for building their courses, their growth will be 10x time. Okay, the entrepreneurs, they're gonna use the AI. If they're gonna learn how they can use the AI tools to scale their businesses. Right, so basically I wanted to say that the keyword here is not the competition, but the keyword here is the collaboration. We need to collaborate with AI to use it for our own benefit. All right, now one more thing I want to bring a focus on is that till now we have talked about the present scenario, but what about in the next 20 years from now? Will there be any job left in the next 20 years which are human dominant? So let me tell you the fact that yes, there will be jobs which are human dominant in the next 20 years, but those were the jobs which are driven by the human emotions, human creativity and human empathy. Okay, so basically I'm talking about here the jobs which are the one which require human connections. Okay, so jobs like creative roles. Okay, so creative roles like the artists, storytellers, innovators, these are the ones who are going to be working in the next 20 years. Okay, now you might be asking that no, there are many movies are being made which are made using AI. So there the AI artist, artificial intelligence artists are working. So where the role of artist came, the human artist came. So let me tell you the fact that when you will watch all those AI made movies, you will understand that you will not be able to connect with those movies. There is no emotional kind of thing is there until unless those movies are some adventure based or some animated based. That is separate thing. But the movies which needs that kind of connection, that kind of a learning, that is only being reflected by human artists, real human artists only, because we can feel, we can care and we can connect with the people. AI cannot. AI is, after all, is a machine, right? It cannot connect it. Then second type of a job which will be there will be of education. Okay, so because this is done by the humans only with their human intelligence, guidance and wisdom which we can train others. Okay, then there are the jobs which are human centric services, for example the therapist, okay, spiritual guides. These are only be done by the humans. AI cannot take over this. Alright, because this again requires a care, the connection with the people. Okay, spiritual guides, the therapist, the psychologist, all these things requires the human connection. Then there is an entrepreneurship. So the businesses which are being developed and impact driven by the digital businesses, you can say. Okay, so these are the jobs which is going to be there in the next 20 years, because no matter how powerful AI can become, AI cannot feel, it cannot care, it cannot connect with the people like we humans can. Okay, so yes, the world will change. AI is going to replace thousands of jobs, but the fact is also true that AI is going to create millions of opportunities for those who are ready to learn, adapt, and lead with AI. So I'll put up like this way, that the next generation of success does not depend on the degrees, it will depend on the digital creativity, emotional intelligence, and human connections. Last, I would like to say that don't fear AI, rather learn to lead with it. Alright, because the future of work in India does not belong to robots. It belongs to we humans who know how to use AI wisely. Now, if you agree with this thought which I've shared with you today in this particular video, do follow and subscribe MSBIO Academy. I'll see you in the next video with some more insights. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.